Welcome to another weekend vlog where I run errands, I clean up, I cook, and just whatever. So I'm going to try to talk for 10 minutes. Yeah. So, as I said in my last video, I was saying that I lost sight. So this video, I'm going to mention how I lost sight. So how did I lose sight? Well, I chose a 9-to-5 job over my career plans. And I also chose a situationship, which did not work out at all. And I had good intentions about it, but didn't work out. So as far as taking the 9-to-5 job, I had decided that I would do that because I was raising a son, and when we moved here to Dallas, he was in the 6th grade. So therefore, in order to have stability, I chose to work a 9-to-5. But remind you that before I took the 9-to-5, I was doing cakes. I was a freelance cake baker, cake decorator. And I was the lead cake decorator at Kroger. And yeah, I wasn't making enough money to, I guess, maintain a decent lifestyle for my son and I. So therefore, I took the 9-to-5. And now I'm just like, how far would I have been if I had not taken the 9-to-5? But then again, it is what it is. I did what I had to do, or what I thought I had to do, actually. But the job didn't turn out so well. So that's why I'm kind of like, maybe I should have kept doing what I was doing. I don't know. But anywho, yeah, I'm slowly getting back into baking cakes, decorating cakes, cooking, all those different things. It's crazy though, when you're like at my age still trying to figure things out. But I guess that's life. My life, rather. And some others. I mean, it's a lot of people out there still trying to figure it out. Yeah. Pardon me while I drink some water. So right here, I'm showing you guys my bookshelf. And these are culinary books from when I was in culinary school. And actually, those books are really money makers, to be honest. Now I'm at Sam's, picking up a few items. But yeah. those books are really money makers, and I just want to start back focusing on what I enjoy doing and see what comes out of it.
It'll get better soon.
Oh yeah, September. My boys looked it up.
Yeah. Thank you. Have a good day.
Have a blessed day. Be safe on the road.
You too. Thanks.
Yeah. Hey girl, hey. So now I'm putting up a clock, as you can see. Trying to get stuff hung up. Trying to clear boxes, clean out boxes. Because I just moved in this place. Excuse me. Yeah, but it's coming along. Cooking now. So I am putting bacon in the air fryer to make salads. I'm going to use the bacon for, I'm going to prep some salads, and the bacon will be my topper. That's the lettuce. Yeah. Peeling potatoes. I really got to get better with this commentary thing. I really do. And not only that, I have to start being more consistent. But basically, I have another YouTube page that I do nothing but, I only cook on there. I cook and bake. I don't vlog. So over there, I think is where, well, I know I spend most of my time over there. And if you want to know the handler, it is Absolutely Delicious. That's EBSOLUTELICIOUS. Absolutely Delicious. I should put it in here. But I would love for you guys to go over there and subscribe. Please. It's more content over there. And it's more consistency over there. But I will be consistent over here. Yes. Those mashed potatoes look delicious. Absolutely delicious. Green beans. So it's beef tips over mashed potatoes with green beans. But yeah, so I have to continue to get better at this commentary thing. And yeah, I hope you liked this video. I hope it wasn't too boring. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.